Divisibility properties. So we discussed about the divisibility rules, right? Based on that, we have to know even divisibility properties. I'll explain five important basic properties about this divisibility concept. First one, for any two numbers, like say x and y, if x is divisible by y, then x is divisible by each factor of y also. Let us take one example. So 36 is number. 36 is is divisible by 12. 36 is divisible by 12, right? So 36 is divisible by each factor of even 12 also. So that means 12 is the factor for 36. So every factor of 12 also is a factor of 36. So in reverse way, 36 is divisible by 12. So that means 12 factors. So 12 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, right? So 36 is divisible by all the factors of even 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So is the rule. For any two numbers, let's say one x and y. If x is divisible by y, then x is divisible by each factor of the y also. Right? Next one. For any three numbers x, y, z, let's take three numbers x, y, z. If x is divisible by y, if x is divisible by y and y is divisible by z, then x is divisible by z also. Let us take one example. 72 is divisible by 24, right? And 24 is divisible by 4. 72 is divisible by 24. That means 24 table, 72 is there. So 24 is a factor of 72. So 72 is divisible by 24. 24 is divisible by 4. Then 72 is divisible by 4. First one is divisible by last one directly. X is divisible by y. Y is divisible by z. Then x is divisible by z. Right. And one more rule. Third one. If a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, let us take 48 is number, is divisible by 2 and 3, is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, co-prime means no common factor except 1. This is called co-prime, right? If a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, it is divisible by their product also. So therefore 48 is divisible by even 2 into 3, that is 6. So 48 is divisible by 2 and 3. These both are co-primes. So these two are co-primes. Co-prime means no common factor for the both except 1. Only one is the common factor, not other. This is called co-primes. In case that number is divisible by even product of that number. Right? And this is the rule. And next one. If a number is a factor of each of the two given numbers, then it is a factor of their sum also. Okay, say for example, 3 is a number. So 3 is a factor of 18 and 24. Say 3 is a factor of 18 and 24. So 3 is a factor of 18 and 3 is a factor of 24. That means 3 is a factor of sum of these two numbers, that is 18 plus 24 also even. 18 plus 24, so 42. So 3 is a factor of even 42. So if a number is a factor of each of the two given numbers, then it is a factor of their sum, addition, right? Same way, fifth point, same like fourth one. If a number is a factor of each of the two given numbers, it is a factor of their difference also. Let's see a same previous example. So 3 is a factor of 18. So 3 is a factor of difference. So take bigger number and subtract the small number. 24 minus 18. So that is equal to 6. 3 is a factor of 6. So fourth and fifth is together. If a number is a factor of each of the two given numbers, then it is a factor of their sum. Again, it is a factor of their difference also. These are the basic or important divisibility properties to calculate the problems we need to remember to solve the problems is required, right? And you are watching the first time our channel, you can subscribe to it, and to follow the content or chapter wise in order, so you need to subscribe and follow that concept and learn.